This is David's car. Here's what happens when the wheel bearing goes bad through impact and potholes and everything else. We caught this before it did any major damage to the vehicle, so that's why it's important to have your vehicle serviced and inspected by professionals that check everything and make sure that you're going to have a trouble-free motoring. So check out our YouTube channel, wildrose911.com, and anytime you need any servicing done to a vehicle, especially a Crown Victoria that we specialise in, come and see the experts at wildrose911.com and we'll take care of you. And like I say, this was picked up on a brake job. We found that a bearing was bad, notified the customer, and the customer said, hell yes, go along, go ahead and do it. Very busy guy, doesn't want to have any breakdowns on the road. So here we go. There's our mechanic there doing the brakes, and then he'll be on to replacing this axle and axle bearing in the rear. Have a nice day.